Do you want to know how you can record your screen using v.io? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can record your screen and video in v.io. Go ahead and open v.io, log into your account, and this page will open up. Click record video. It will take you to this scene. Now you can select these either camera, audio, screen, screen and camera, slides and camera, and slides. To display your screen, go ahead and click screen and select your window or entire screen. After you click entire screen, click share. You can see that now you are sharing your screen. If you click record and wait till 3 seconds, you can see that you are now recording your screen. You have starting to record it, and now to stop it you can click stop, and if you want to pause it, go ahead and click pause, and if you want to retake the screen recording, go ahead and click retake. So I want to stop it for now. I'll click stop, and you can see that my screen has been recorded. So this is how you screen record or record your screen and video in v.io. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.